Now, after the army attack against Pakistan, India today has learned from intel sources that such an action was necessary because many groups of the LAT terrorists are waiting to infiltrate into India with Pakistan Army's help and wreak havoc in the valley. Sources suggest border action teams were noticed near Nowshera sector. The intel reports shared at the highest level in the army and government, and it was decided to target Pakistani posts.
After Nowshera operation, Indian Army has alerted all along the international border and line of control that Pakistan may do some mischievous after this operation Nowshera, in which the Pakistan has maximum damage. Number of bunkers have been damaged, and some of the special service groups commandos there who are doing the bad operation on the line of control, they have been also killed, and the casualty is not still known how many Pakistani army men, terrorists and the special service group men have been killed, because they have been kept there for any bad operation by the Pakistani. But India has given a befitting reply after this Krishna Ghati operation by the Pakistanis, and the red alert has been sounding all along the line of control in Poonch and Rajouri area. Even the BSF has been told to keep a vigil on the international border after Nowshera operation. Ashwini Kumar for India Today on line of control in Nowshera.
All right, my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu has been reporting from the valley. She's joining us now live from the Nowshera district there. Kamal, give us details. What did this intelligence actually mean? Because India had to act on it.
Well, Preeti, definitely there is a high alert, as Ashwini was pointing out, about LOC and the borders, specifically at the line of control here in Kashmir Valley. There have been several infiltration attempts, but what is important is that Pakistan is backing the BAT operation teams, which are the border action teams. They're also pushing in terrorists. We know that the launch pads are actually brimming with activity. The Lashkar-e-Taiba and the other Jaish-e-Mohammed, even some of Hizbul Mujahideen men and militants are waiting there. So what is going to be important is the India strategy, and obviously there is a heightened sense of alert. They have managed to fend off any sort of infiltration bid, but considering that there seems to be a deep divide between India and Pakistan, there seems to be tensions at the border with Pakistan's own policy to continue to bleed India with 1,000 cuts. There is a heightened sense of alertness, and obviously army doing everything they have to prevent any sort of border action teams from coming in. This is in specific regards to Lashkar-e-Taiba. Their own teams have been readied on several launch pads now, and that's the real threat.
All right, stay on with me, Kamaljeet Sandhu. Meanwhile, India yesterday gave out a statement of retaliating to punish Pakistani posts pushing in infiltrators along the line of control, right to the south of Pir Panjal. But will these strikes deter Pakistan, or does India need to up the ante? The operation took place in daytime in the Nowshera sector of Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district. The army employed bunker-busting mortar directed at Pakistani army posts aiding terrorist infiltrators. The video, which released by the army, shows that the Indian army used its 80mm mortars to rain hell on the Pakistani bunkers, destroying them completely. The number of casualties is yet not known. All right, we still have Kamaljeet Sandhu with us, and joining us on this story is Syed Zafar Islam. He's the national spokesperson of the BJP, Lieutenant General retired Raj Kadyan, former Deputy Chief of Army Staff. We also have from across the border, Pakistan, Sultan Ali. He's a defense expert. General Kadyan, let me come to you first. Two messages were given out yesterday by the Indian Army, not just to across the border in Pakistan, but its many proxies which are this side of the border as well. One of India, where its operation and retaliation where Pakistan posts were concerned, and that video was given out, and a public message publicly humiliating Pakistan. Second, by awarding Major Gogoi. But do you think this message which has gone has actually registered? Will we see less terror strikes?
I think India as a national policy, we are a peaceful country, we do not want violence. But patience beyond a point is being taken as a weakness, particularly by Pakistan. Even in the international community, we come as a nation that is too docile, that keeps getting hit time and again and is not able to retaliate effectively. I've been saying from 1st May onwards, when the latest perfidy of beheading two of our soldiers were carried out, that it suits us to keep the LOC heated up, not only in Nowshera but all over. It was because the LOC got heated up in 2003 because of heavy artillery fire exchanges that Pakistan was compelled to seek a ceasefire. The present ceasefire that came in 2003 was at their behest. India, as the video showed yesterday, used direct firing weapons, pinpoint targets, there was no collateral damage. 8 bunkers being destroyed could be seen clearly by all. That Pakistan will
so General,
deny
you're saying that India needs to continue to dominate on the LOC
They've even denied this.
Right. So General, you're basically encapsulating that we need to dominate the LOC to actually register impact. General, what do you make of this latest, bogus video that seems to be released by Pakistan Army yesterday? Multiple cuts in that video, and only that video being released after India released its video. And we'll also bring in Sultan Ali then. General, first you.
My comments?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Truth is always a casualty in Pakistan. Their media is not allowed to come to the front line as our media. We are a very liberal democracy. Everything is open and transparent. They even denied the surgical strike, so they will deny this also because they feel that it hurts Pakistan Army's image to tell their public or to accept in public, yes, they have been hit, their post has been destroyed.
Right.
But the point I'm making is that a quiet LOC suits Pakistan.
Right.
When their army is free to cause trouble or continue causing trouble in the valley, we should keep heated up. There will be exchanges, even we will suffer casualties, but those are in the line of duty.
Right.
Martyrdom in line of duty is a matter of pride. But we cannot accept our soldiers' bodies getting mutilated time and again, as Pakistan has been doing, under the garb of border action team. They call them terrorists. They're actually the regulars who dress up as mujahids or as rangers.
Right.
And
all right, General, let me bring in defense expert from Pakistan, Sultan Ali, who's also joining us live. Mr. Ali, you denied the surgical strikes. Then you denied India's, when we destroyed your posts, which was confirmed by the Indian Army yesterday. Now, it's rather bizarre that your country's army chooses, after India goes and releases this video of destroying Pakistani posts, that you release a counter bogus video last night.
Okay, you see what the general was saying, that truth is the first casualty, but not in Pakistan, but truth is the first casualty in the fog of war. Now, if your surgical strike had been actual and if it had been successful, then according to the rules of the game, Pakistan, if it was engaged in actually sending terrorists across the line of control, Pakistan should have been deterred from it and stopped doing it. But the fact is, there are two things.
So you
here.
agree
First,
that you sent terrorists to across to us, sir?
No.
You agree? You're saying that on television that Pakistan would have been deterred, but they continue to do so.
Allow me to complete.
Sir, I'm just quoting you. Yes, complete.
No, because I've not completed. You're just picking out one sentence out of my thing, my statement, which I haven't even finished. What I'm trying to say is that first of all, Pakistan, the government of Pakistan and the military of Pakistan are not engaged in the business of sending terrorists across the line of control. Secondly, the surgical strike never took place because a group of us were taken to that location.
No, one second. This bogus video that was released by your army yesterday, Mr. Ali, has multiple cuts. And as a country, I must submit that India is not like Pakistan, that information of casualties on our border, on our posts, would not be out in the open public domain. And the fact that you actually released this bogus video on the eve of the day when India releases a genuine video of the assault on your posts. So many questions, not one answer.
Okay, the Pakistan army can be faulted for the timing of the video. But how is it that your video is genuine and ours is bogus?
Because I'll tell you why, sir. Multiple cuts. It's an old video. There's already a similar video on YouTube as well. We'd be happy to send you the link.
And why did your video come out, say, 12 days after the action has taken place.
Sir, you know, there's a way that our army conducts itself, and maybe, you know, General would come in, General Qadian would come in and tell you about that. But let me also bring in, at this point of time, Zafar Islam, spokesperson of the BJP. Mr. Islam, you want to take that question by Mr. Ali?
Well, let me first respond to Mr. Ali that India has a very, very clear stated policy. We hug our neighboring country when they even extend their hand for handshake. And that is what the Honorable Prime Minister has demonstrated. But we respond with Goli with Gola, and I'm sure that Pakistani defense analysts will understand how we have responded in Nowshera area. They are feeling the heat, the Pakistani authorities feeling the heat, Pakistani army is feeling the heat, the kind of response Indian army is giving to Pakistan. Their number of people, number of Pakistani army's personnel have been killed, their terrorist hideouts have been destroyed, their posts have been destroyed, and we will continue to do that because Pakistan is a terror factory. Pakistan is the one who is actually sending terrorists into Indian soil. They are the one who is trying to destabilize Kashmir. They are the one who actually violate the ceasefire understanding at the border. And India has initially wanted to a peaceful nation, as one of our co-panelists said, that India is a peaceful nation. They believe in peace and a friendly relationship with our neighbors. But Pakistan has not responded our friendliness with friendliness. So now they are facing the heat because India is in aggressive mode. India is no more a soft nation. India used to be a soft nation till 2014. Since our government is in power, we are no more a soft nation. We
Raj
are in a very
Qadian, you want to
aggressive
take that question
and
because
Pakistan is for the first time
Mr.
since
Islam.
1947
General
realizing
Qadian,
the heat what
General Qadian,
their army is going through.
General Qadian, you want to take that question there because Mr. Ali is admitting that the timing was all wrong by the Pakistan army. Maybe they should not have done what they did. But why is it that the Indian army video needs to be, you know, vouched for its authenticity, while we call the Pakistan's video, which they released, of course, yesterday evening, bogus?
In India, such decisions are taken by the government because army is an instrument of the government. In Pakistan, it is the army that rules the country. So the question is more relevant to them. We will release it when we feel it is suitable. And I hope Pakistan takes the hint from this one video and stops sending jihadists and infiltrators across the border. When my friend from Pakistan says that they are not doing it, I think that is a laughable claim. The world, it carries no weight in the world arena. Everybody knows Pakistan is nurturing and supporting terrorists and launching terror attacks inside Indian territory. They have lost 3 wars. Openly having lost all these, they are fighting a proxy war since 1989. The whole world knows we don't need to convince Pakistan. Let them think and speak what they want. But the reality is known to the world, and I do hope Pakistan takes this signal of yesterday's video seriously. Otherwise, they will be in for greater and harsher punishment from India.
You know, Mr. Qadian, let me take that question to Kamaljeet Sandhu, my colleague, who's also joining us from the Nowshera sector right now. You know, Kamal, an important point that General Qadian made there, that India needs to keep the LC hot because it's in Pakistan's favor that all is well at the line of control. And we need to continue dominating on the line of control. As we speak, what is the Indian stand there? What is the Indian Army stand?
Well, India knows very well that Pakistan continues with its policy to bleed India by 1,000 cuts, and Indian army giving a befitting reply there. But we've seen Pakistan getting extremely aggressive, especially after the border action team. We've seen infiltration attempts really go up. They want to create disturbance, and that is why we see foreign terrorists also being there at the launch pads, trying to push in terrorists, especially in the side of North Kashmir. They obviously want to activate line of control. They want aggression. India is obviously replying, and that is why that video really came in. The strategy is obviously to give a befitting reply, but also send out a message to Pakistan that India is not cow down, that we will reply to every aggression by Pakistan. The fact is that they're also trying to create an internal disturbance is also one of the strategies which is being dealt with.
All right. Mr. Zafar Islam, you want to come in on this because one surgical strike, the action taken, which was released, of course, yesterday by the Indian Army. But do you reckon it's in India's favor right now to dominate where the LOC is concerned?
See, as I stated earlier, that India definitely loves to be in a very peaceful environment with our neighbors. And this is what we had attempted in the beginning itself when we formed the government. But now with the Pakistan, that situation has changed. And it is Pakistan who is responsible for reversing the situation, and today they are feeling the heat because we will continue to be very aggressive on
So we will
LOC,
continue to be very aggressive on the LOC.
Pakistani army, Pakistani outposts, the terrorist hideouts, and
All right, okay, gentlemen, I believe that's all the time that we have for.
Now realizing that this was their mistake because all their attempts.
All right, that's all the time that we have for.